Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here's the first chord, and you'll have the B minor composed of the D, the F sharp and the B, and the bass note of B. Then the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Next, the D major composed of the D, the F sharp and the A, and the bass note of D. And eventually, the A major composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. And I'm going to show you 3 ways to play this chord with pressed chords. Let's start with the first method. So either you play 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna do this for all the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you play this twice. Now, the second way to play this would be to play the bass this time on the 4th beat, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this for all the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or a third playing method where you could play the bass on the off beat right after the 4th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just before playing the next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So as indicated, you'll need to play this chord twice for the introduction. Let's move on to the first verse. I will show you the chord again because yes, you will be able to use the same chord and the rhythm of your choice. Let me give you an example with the first method. You've got the words. Okay, so you'll begin the chord on words. You've got the words to change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You've spent a lifetime stuck in silence, afraid you'll say something wrong. If no one ever hears it, how we're gonna learn your song? So come on, come on, come on, come on, you've got a heart. You just played this chord twice and you will have to repeat it 2 more times the same way to finish the verse. Or you can also use another rhythm among the 3. I'll continue using the third playing method with the bass on the offbeat. You've got a heart as loud as lion, so I let your voice be tamed. Baby, we're a little different, there's no need to be ashamed. You've got the lights to fight the shadows, so stop hiding it away. Come on, come on, I wanna sing. And you reach the chorus. Here is the corresponding chord, and note the addition of the F sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass of F sharp. And keeping the same playing method, it would sound like this. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the words dry out. So put it in all of the papers, I'm not afraid, they can read all about it, read all about it, oh. And for the next part, you'll be able to repeat the second section of the chord 2 more times. No, oh, 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 Or you could also play these chords using arpeggios. Here's an adapted chord, and this time you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 on every chord. I wanna see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the lyric, I wanna sing, I wanna shout, And similarly, you repeat the second section of this chart 2 more times the same way. You will then be able to continue with the second verse and the second chorus, which will be played exactly like the previous ones. Let me sing you an excerpt of the second verse, which you could of course play in arpeggios. Here's the corresponding chart, and let's resume with the lyric. At night we're waking up the neighbors while we sing away the blues, making sure that we're remembered, yeah, 'cause we all matter too. If the truth has been forbidden, then we're breaking all the rules. So come on, come on, come on, come on, let's get the TV and the radio. And you play this chart 2 more times, so 4 times in total. And like I told you, you will then continue with the second chorus, and just after, you'll come to a bridge, which again will share the same chart. Let me sing you this part right now, and I'll resume with pressed chords. Yeah, we're all wonderful, wonderful people. So when did we all get so fearful? Now we're finally finding our voices. So take a chance, come help me sing this, I wanna sing. Or you use arpeggios. Here is the corresponding chart, and let's resume with the lyric. Yeah, we're all wonderful, wonderful people. So when did we all get so fearful? And now we're finally finding our voices. Just take a chance, come help me sing this, I wanna sing. You will then reach the last chorus, which you'll be able to play with the corresponding chart and the method of your choice. Only difference, you will repeat the second section 4 times instead of 3. And then you can finish this song with the B minor chord. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.